Welcome back to Hollywood Studios. As per usual, I will link our 2018 visit in the description below.
You can look at it, but we can't touch it.
I said, what's your favorite?
My sister's gonna kill me and my sister.
Fill in all available space as you make your way through.
Ringing of the UO bell! Yay! I'm Aria.
And it is I, Sir Eric.
Yeah! Wait, Sir Eric? Blonde. Kinda keeps to herself. Oh yeah! She has these cool icy snow powers, like, Ice Palace, North Mountain.
Princess Elsa was different. She was born with special powers.
Magical powers that created snow and ice. I love playing in Elsa's magical snow.
But one night something terrible happened. Elsa created a monster snowman.
You're jumping ahead again. Back it up.
Now, in case you are unaware of what a troll may be, let us help you. Trolls are these roly-poly, weird critters with wacky powers. No more snowmen!
No more snowman!
What about her snowy powers?
Exactly, she's afraid her powers would show when she be cast out of the kingdom forever.
Right, and all the while, Princess Anna, the lovely, the beautiful, okay, Princess Anna was dreaming of opening the castle gates for the first time in...
Hans came back and they danced the night away.
Then Hans came back. What fun for us all.
love true love.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
That ain't it. No. As Queen Elsa said, and I quote, "You cannot marry a man you just met."
Well, as Princess Anna said, and I quote, you can if it's true love.
I missed the Winter Festival. No, not that I can remember.
I think we'd remember seeing the Queen of Arendelle.
Tell yourself that, my friend, because we know the truth.
I have to get back to Anna.
I knew it.
And find Elsa.
He likes warm hugs in summer!
A snowman that likes summer. How can you not love the guy?
But Anna almost died jumping off of a cliff, but luckily the snow was there to soften their fall.
And we learned that snowmen have no skull or bones. Take over the kingdom.
Oh, this is the bad guy!
Oh, now look who slept through Arendelle History 101.
It was virtual.
It's cold in here. That can only mean one thing.
Oh, I hope so. Then we can really celebrate the holidays.
Okay, wait a minute.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here. The royal historians of Arendelle have been telling our story.
Oh, well, thank you. That was a very good story you told, though the ending felt strange.
Yay! Oh, what a great way to celebrate the holidays.
It's great that we can be together with family and friends during this time of year.
But we're not all together. Olaf isn't here.
Jolly season's greetings, everyone!
Olaf!
That's me! And I like warm hugs, especially during the holidays.
Singing, toasting the whole night through as we ring in the season with you. It's finally here and it's happening fast. We'll make up for all we have missed in the past. It's time to celebrate as we ring in the season.
Okay. And how would you like the burger cut?
Look at Dad. Stop coloring. Just adorable. They either had green army men before bangs. And yeah, it was so stupid. Like one of the cutest things I've seen at Disney. Figured I couldn't come to this like 1950 style diner without.
Like what's happening? Never again.
I think he's very happy. Oh my god, he's harassing.
It's dinner time, I guess.
He was eating stuff out of the light, like the cracks in the light on the ground. He's munching.
All right, that is going to do it for Disney's Hollywood Studios. There's a nighttime event here as well, one that we do not have tickets for.
Golden
Love never ages. Wow. Aloha and welcome to the Polynesian Resort. We're getting some breakfast. Did I ever mention how much I love this place? Life goal is to actually stay here 1 year. Oh yeah. Oh, I found it. It's a hidden Mickey. I finally found one this trip. A hidden Mickey right there.
Where's my it's not very hidden.
Yeah.
Stupid. I'm gonna need the butter too. Mary, this is maple syrup if you like. We'll swim back at our room later.
Welcome to Disney Springs.
He's getting the whole rainbow.
Oh, okay. Of course.
Well, you're gonna, whatever you can fit is what you're getting.
You want to wait for Mark? Okay.
See him? And that's gonna do it for Disney Springs. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.